Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best 2 Cube Organizer is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving storage solutions available today, perfect for decluttering any room in your home, from dorm rooms and apartments to garages and playrooms, offering a simple yet effective way to keep your belongings tidy and accessible. Its modular design allows for various configurations, making it adaptable to your specific needs and available space, ensuring that you can maximize your storage potential without sacrificing style or functionality. Number 5. Criusia 11-inch heavy-duty fabric storage cubes, 8-pack. Introducing our heavy-duty storage cubes, crafted from tough non-woven fabric and reinforced with rigid boards. They are built to last and handle your heaviest items with ease. Each cube measures 11 by 11 by 11 inches, designed to fit perfectly into most cube organizers and shelves. They are ideal for keeping any room tidy. Featuring 2 sturdy, sewn-in handles, these cubes make carrying and accessing your stored items simple. They function beautifully as drawers or open-top bins. When not in use, these cubes conveniently fold flat for compact storage. This makes them perfect for dorm rooms and apartments where space is a premium. These versatile bins are perfect for organizing a variety of items, from clothes and blankets to toys and books. Keep your living spaces neat and clutter-free. In a classic gray color, these storage solutions seamlessly blend with any decor. They add both functionality and style to your home organization. What we like. If you need a large quantity of storage bins for various items, these are a great choice. Their tough construction ensures durability for clothes, blankets, and toys. If you like to keep your closets and shelves tidy with a uniform look, consider these for their space-saving and collapsible design. What people say. The cube organizer is sturdy and holds a lot of items. Easy to assemble and looks great in any room. The shelves are deep enough to fit larger items. Number 4. ClosetMaid 2 Cube Storage Shelf Organizer. Introducing a versatile cube organizer designed to fit your space. Its 2 square openings offer flexible display options, whether you place it horizontally or vertically. This cube storage unit is perfect for any room. Use it to store books, clothes, decorative items, or cherished keepsakes, adding functional style to your home. Enjoy a sturdy frame with a clean, finished look on both the front and back. The open back panels contribute to its sleek and modern design. Enhance its look and functionality by adding compatible 13-inch fabric cube drawers. Choose colors and styles that match your decor perfectly. Assembly is a breeze with all the necessary hardware included. You'll have this stylish organizer ready to use in no time, measuring 30 inches high and 15.87 inches wide. What we like. If you're looking for a versatile unit that can adapt to your space and needs, this is the one. It's perfect for displaying books, garments, or decor, and can be oriented vertically or horizontally. If you appreciate simple assembly and the option to add fabric drawers later, this is an excellent option for any living area. What people say. Went together in 15 minutes. One person. Super sturdy. Does not look cheap. Thick pieces. No wobble. Exact measurements. Extremely easy to assemble and very sturdy. We have it housing more than 300 long play record albums with room for more. It holds the standard 13 by 13 baskets perfectly, giving me a clean and polished look while hiding all the little odds and ends. Assembly wasn't complicated, and once it's set up, it feels very sturdy. Each cubby is roomy enough for books, decor, electronics, or even bulkier items. Number 3. Rerii 3-tier small bookshelf. Introducing a compact and stylish bookshelf designed for any room. It's perfect for small apartments, dorms, or any area where space is limited. This versatile piece can be used as an end table, storage rack, or display shelf. Its compact size fits perfectly into your lifestyle and decor. Crafted from waterproof and eco-friendly PVC, it's a sustainable choice for your home. Its non-toxic properties ensure a healthy environment for everyone. Bring order and style to your child's room or use it as a bedside nightstand. Keep books, gadgets, and essentials within easy reach. With its 3 tiers, this unit offers ample storage to tidy up your living room. It's perfect for keeping a variety of items neatly organized. Setting it up is a breeze. With a simple step-by-step guide, you can have it assembled and ready to use in just 10 minutes. What we like. If you have limited space and need a stylish storage solution, this small bookshelf is ideal. Its eco-friendly and waterproof material makes it safe for any room, including a child's. If you're looking for a versatile piece that can serve as an end table or display shelf, especially for a bedside or desk, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. Very easy to assemble, is sturdy, and very cute and attractive. It's perfect storage shelves for tiny spaces. Assembly is super easy. It's as pictured and stable. Pieces came undamaged. This snapped together snugly and is totally waterproof, so perfect for our bathroom. Snaps together like puzzle pieces, and while it took a minute to like up the holes, and I needed to use my fist on a flat surface to pound the pieces together, they fit perfectly and tight. Lightweight but not flimsy. Plastic panels are a nice thickness. With items on the shelves to create weight, it is pretty stationary. It is so cute, I am going to order several more for laundry room. Prettier than the plain cubby shelves. I have put together many cubbies and shelves, and the way this snaps together is a really cool design. Number 2. BAGSMART Compression Packing Cubes. Introducing the ultimate travel companion. These packing cubes are designed to make your journey effortless and organized. Tired of overstuffed luggage? Our compression cubes help you save valuable space, fitting more into your suitcase without the bulk. Crafted for durability, these organizers are built to last through all your adventures. Plus, they add no extra weight to your luggage. Keep your belongings neatly sorted and easily accessible. Find what you need, when you need it, without rummaging through your bags. Available in sets of 2, 4, or 6, they are the perfect solution for any trip. Make packing a breeze with these essential travel organizers. What we like. If you're a frequent traveler and want to maximize luggage space, these compression packing cubes are a must-have. They are designed to be lightweight and durable, making packing and organizing your travel essentials a breeze. If you hate clutter in your suitcase and want to fit more items, these are the perfect solution for your next trip. What people say. The zippers and durability of the stitching is great. The product kept its original size and didn't notice any shrinking. The compressing factor saves a pretty fair amount of space, by at least 1 to 1 inch each cube. Shirts, pants, etc. stay neatly folded in their own secure cube. Netting allows you to see contents along with a clear pocket to slip in a note to list contents. Number 1. SONGMICS 6 Cube Storage Organizer ULPC 206B01. Built with strong steel frames and durable PP plastic panels, this unit is designed for stability. It can hold up to 22 pounds per cube, and an anti-tip kit is included for enhanced safety. Thanks to its interlocking design, you can easily assemble these cubes into various shapes. Adapt it to your needs, whether you prefer a ladder style or a 2x3 shelving unit. Putting this organizer together is a breeze with the included rubber mallet. Disassembly is just as simple, making it convenient for moving or storage. The raised feet keep it off the floor, protecting your belongings from dirt. You can also opt for standard connectors in a closet to maximize space. With 6 generous cubes, it offers ample storage capacity within a compact footprint. It's perfect for keeping your items organized, and can even accommodate additional storage boxes. What we like. If you love to customize your storage solutions and need a flexible system, this modular organizer is for you. Its interlocking structure allows for various shapes to fit your specific space. If you need ample storage for clothes, toys, or other items and appreciate easy assembly with the option for raised feet, this is a highly adaptable and practical choice. What people say. Very easy to put together. The cube sizes are 12 inches by 12 inches, so it will fit good-sized baskets easily. It organizes well too, and you can adjust it however you need to. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.